Hey, hey, my chickadees. Good morning. It is Monday morning. Okay, we have our Margaret Miller week 29, and this is what I did. Now, it's early in the morning. I got up. I said, oh, yeah, I can do this. That'd be cool. Uh, I sat down and I started doing it, but the recorder, it wasn't recording. I was like, oh no. So I just got to tell you what I did. Okay. So week 29 is something related to a sport or physical activity, anything that starts with a G, a clock or watch, something sharp, a color associated with spring, and bonus is a candy wrapper or cough drop. So this is what I did. Okay, something starts with G is the glass, stained glass image behind here, and it when I put it down, I had the watch down a little bit more, and you could see the American flag and stuff behind it. But when I put it down to glue it down and done, I messed up and didn't quite get it where it was supposed to be. But that's okay. You can still see it right here. But it's this pretty stained glass. That's my something with G. Um, Something related to a sport or physical activity. Well, I had to get us all in here. So we've got the ball that goes to the ball that goes to, the baseball, because that's what we all about up in this house. So there's that. And then there's my watch. And it is an Omega because, kind of goes with the thing there. And then something sharp is because I can. It's my dangle here with my pen. And a color associated with spring is the yellow. And then a candy wrapper is here, and that's one of the chewies. And it's also grandma because grandma watches, all the babies play sports. So there we go. And to hold down my prompt, I cut it in the shape of a heart because it's a bleeding heart going all the way down here for our sports and our grandbabies. And excuse me, and use my sharp object to pin it to my page. So there is my week at 29 early this Monday morning. I hope y'all have a great Monday morning. And sis, I hope you're feeling better and have a great day. I love you. And I will see y'all next go round. Love you. Bye.